The figure below is made out of 3 identical quarter circles and a square of side 8 cm. Part A, find the perimeter of the shaded areas. Part B, find the difference in the shaded area of A and the sum of the shaded areas of B and C. Let's start with Part A, and let us define where the perimeter is. The perimeter is made up of 3 quarter circle arcs, as it can be seen over here. It also comprises of these 2 straight lines. So from these purple lines, you have 3 1/4 arcs times 3.14 pi times the diameter of this big circle. So since the radius here is 8, the diameter would have to be 2 times 8. So this would give us 37.68 cm. Then we add on the 2 red lines over here, which is 8 and 8, that give us 53.68 cm. So that answers part A. Now for part B, we need to find the difference in the shaded area of A and the sum of B and C as well. So let me add on this component called D. So here we can only work with the formula that we know. And in order to find the difference between A and the sum of B and C, the difference is defined to be this region here. But there is no way that you can calculate A or B and C alone. So we have to use this area D. So once we have done this, we can see that A and D is this region over here. Is this little rugby ball over here. And this can be calculated. So A and D can be acquired by taking a quarter circle and subtracting off the triangle that lies within it. And once we have this area, we can multiply it by 2. So let's do that first. So here, the quarter circle will be 1/4 times pi times radius times radius. So that gives us 50.24 cm squared. Then that triangle that lies within will be half times 8 times 8. So that gives us 32. So one of these half leaves must be 50.24 minus 32. And that gives us 18.24. So AD is comprised of 2 of these. We just take 2 times 18.24 to get 36.48. Alright, so this whole thing is 36.48. Then on to B and C. B, C and D. To get this, we have to take the whole square and subtract off a quadrant. So we already know that the square has length 8, its area must be 64 cm squared. We already know that the quadrant's area is 50.24 cm. So this region alone would be 64 minus 50.24 to give us 13.76. Now once we know this to be 13.76, we can find the difference in the area already. That would just be 36.48 minus 13.76, and that will give us 22.72 cm squared.